to our online ninth standard chemistry. Today we will be discussed about our topic structure of atom. We know that all the substance in our surroundings are made up of extremely small particles called molecules. Then, if you already learn about in 8th standard, what is a molecule and what are the characteristics of molecules of a substance? Then, we have already learned that molecule can be subdivided into minute particles and there is called atom. Then atom, it is a very minute particles. In our universe, all substances are made up of atom. Then so many scientists have discovered so many theories and principles related to the atoms. One of the famous scientists, that is John Dalton, proposed the atomic theory in 1807 for the study in an atom. Students, listen. Then another point, Dalton atomic theory. First point, matter is made up of minute particles called atoms. Then another point, atoms cannot be divided during chemical reactions. Third one, atoms of different elements in different properties and mass. Okay, these are the main points related to Dalton atomic theory. Okay, then if we discussed about these points, matter is made up of minute particles called atoms. We already discussed it in our universe. All substances are made up of minute particles called atoms. Okay, then second point, atoms cannot be divided during chemical reactions. In all chemical reactions, atoms, it cannot be divided into different particles or any other elements or compounds. Okay, Dalton proposed atoms cannot be divided during chemical reactions. Then third point, atoms of different element in different their properties and mass. Atoms of different element means, for example, if we take water, it contains hydrogen and oxygen. But the hydrogen and oxygen, the properties of these elements are entirely different. Hydrogen is one of the gas. It is the smallest particles or smallest atom. But oxygen is a heavier particle, entirely different from hydrogen and oxygen. Okay, these properties are entirely different. Properties means characteristics, that is shape, size, mass, okay, particle nature, etc. Dear students, then another scientist, Niels Bohr, is one of the famous scientists. He also explained the atomic model of atom. He proposed a new atomic theory on the basis of the structure of atom. This model is known as Bohr model or Niels Bohr atom model. Then according to Bohr model, the revolving path traced by electrons called orbits or shell. In an atom, there are so many different orbits. That orbits named as K, L, M, N, etc. These are the different orbits present in all atoms. That orbit, first orbit or shell is known as K. Then second L shell, M shell, N shell, etc. Then the main ideas of the Bohr model. First point, electrons revolve around the nucleus of an atom in fixed path called orbits or shells. Electrons are revolving. Revolving means surrounding in a different orbits or shell. That is the first point. Explain Bohr model. Okay, that electrons rotating or revolving path is called orbits or shell. Okay, then second point, electrons in each shell have definite energy. In each shell, electrons are revolving in each orbit or shell. That energy shell is also known as energy level. And third point, as long as electron revolve in a particular orbit, its energy remains constant. In each shell, electrons are revolving in each orbit or shell, but the energy in each shell have constant. That means same energy. Then another point, the energy of the shells increase as the distance from the nucleus increase. Energy of the shells increase as the distance from the nucleus increase. From center of the nucleus to the outermost shell of an orbit or shell, the energy is also increased. Then last point, the shells around the nucleus can be numbered from near the nucleus as 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. That means it represented in a particular letters. That is, 1 means K shell, then 2 means L shell, 3 means M shell, then 4 means N shell, etc.